Welcome to Michigan in Focus, powered by thecentersquare.com. This episode features a piece by Center Square contributor Carly Moran, headlined, quote, "Lawmakers Want Double Delivery Tax Stopped," end quote. Here's the story. A bipartisan group of Michigan state representatives want to stop local delivery drivers from paying taxes twice. Representatives Alibis Farhat, a Democrat from Dearborn, Jimmy Wilson, a Democrat from Ypsilanti, Graham Filler, a Republican from Duplin Township, and Jasper Martis, a Democrat from Flushing, introduced House Bills 5745 and 5746 to eliminate a double sales tax on delivery companies like Instacart and Shipt. Under current Michigan law, local delivery companies pay a sales tax both when buying the product from a retailer and when they deliver to the consumer. This results in the delivery company being taxed twice for one transaction. Filler said, quote, "Our goal is to ensure fairness and stop the double taxation that hurts delivery companies. By fixing this, we can support local businesses and make it easier for them to operate," end quote. Small local businesses often don't have the sales technology to account for this double tax, resulting in an unnecessary advantage toward larger corporations, lawmakers say. The proposed bills would allow delivery network companies to deduct the sales tax they paid to retailers from their tax liabilities. The new tax policy would only apply to local, same-day deliveries, such as for groceries. Filler said, quote, "Local businesses rely on delivery services to compete with larger companies. By allowing these delivery networks to deduct the sales tax they've already paid, we can reduce their financial burden and help them continue supporting small businesses," end quote. Bills have been referred to the House Tax Policy Committee. Listeners can keep up with this story and more at thecentersquare.com. This podcast was made with the assistance of AI technology. Please subscribe and thanks for listening.
Freedom, individualism, limited government. On these issues, conservatives and libertarians generally agree. But where do we disagree? Check out the Future of Freedom podcast for civil, reasoned conversations about some of today's most pressing topics. It's not a debate. Our goal is to provide the best arguments from either side of an issue. Then you decide. It's the Future of Freedom podcast. Find it at americastalking.com or wherever you find your podcasts.